Happy New Year 2026. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. As we stand at the edge of a brand new year, I want to take a moment to say Happy New Year 2026 to each and every one of you party popper. The year 2025 was full of lessons, challenges, memories, and growth. Some days made us smile, some days tested our patience, but every moment taught us something valuable. And now, a fresh chapter is about to begin. New Year 2026 is not just a change of date, it is a new opportunity. An opportunity to dream bigger, work harder, and believe in ourselves more than ever before. It's a chance to leave behind fear, regret, and negativity, and move forward with hope, confidence, and positivity. This year, promise yourself to focus on progress, not perfection. Take care of your mental peace, respect your journey, and never compare your success with others. Small steps every day can lead to big achievements over time. To all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers, thank you for being part of this journey. Your love, comments, likes, and shares motivate me to keep creating better content for you. In 2026, I promise to bring more value, more consistency, and more exciting videos on this channel. May this new year bring you good health, financial success, happiness, and peace of mind. May your goals turn into reality, and may every day of 2026 bring you closer to your dreams. If you believe 2026 will be your year, don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, Happy New Year 2026. Stay positive, stay blessed, and keep shining sparkles.